Welcome to EduBuds. In this video, we will learn about managing online and offline receiving and managing of fees, printing its receipts and doing necessary adjustments or corrections when required. Parent can deposit fees by various modes such as cash or check deposit, either by visiting the school or through online modes from the parent's portal or from the parent's mobile app. If the fee is successfully deposited through online mode, then such fees gets reflected on the screen along with its transaction details. After successful login, when we click on Fee Receipts and Reports button under the Accounts menu, we get the fee deposit screen. As we can see, we first need to select class and section from the drop-down list. As soon as we do so, another drop-down gets filled up with the names of students of the selected class and section, from which we can select the required student. As soon as we select a student, his entire payment details get displayed on the screen. If the selected student is a school bus commuter, then this detail is also shown on the screen next to his name. This information is helpful to know whether the bus fee is to be collected from the selected student. As soon as a student is selected, applicable fee type for the student get displayed to choose from under the type of fee section. For example, if the selected student is a school bus commuter, then transport fee will be available to choose from, otherwise it will not be displayed to be chosen. This approach eliminates the possibility of wrong entry for non-commuting students of school bus. On the right side of the screen, individual payment dates on which the payment is made by the selected student are displayed, along with the other relevant details, which can be edited, removed or corrected in case of wrong or mistaken entry by the fee clerk. At the middle of the screen, under the Fees Paid by the Selected Student section, all fees paid by the selected student are displayed along with a small checkbox prefixed to each entry. We can print a fee receipt for a single selected entry, even in case of a duplicate receipt, for all the selected entries. At the bottom of the screen, we can see different checkboxes providing us the flexibility of printing a customized fee report for any individual student, selected class or the entire school along with the total amount received as well as total balance amount. We can also create a customized report displaying the name of students who are the fee defaulters along with the amount in default, and from that report itself, a message can be sent instantly to the parents of each child as a reminder to pay the fees just at a click of a button. Now, let us make a fee entry and see the working of this screen. Let us select a student of class 11A and select the tuition fee for the month of April to be paid. So we enter the amount of fee to be paid and click Pay Fees button. We can see that the fee is paid and it got reflected on the screen. Now we can print its receipt by selecting its checkbox and clicking on Print Fee Receipt button. Thanks for watching.